आयतारा गोयच्या क्रिस्तावांनी मोठ्या उमेदीन भक्तिभावान ईस्टर संडे मनयलो। गुड फ्रायडेक येशूक मोठे हाल आनी यातना दिवन खुर्सार चढयल्लो। 3 दिसां उपरांत ताणें पुनर्जल्म घेतलो ह्या धारणेन ह्या ईस्टराचें महत्व। गोयच्या चर्चींनी मध्यमराती मिसा जाली आनी दर एकल्याक हॅपी ईस्टराची परबी दिली।
लोकांक खूप दुडू दिया आणि तांकां अशें सांगात आमी न्हिदलेले आसतना ताचे शी सेवून ताका चोरयांक घेवन गेले अशी फोट तुमी लोकांक सांगात।
आमचो मसायस जिवंत जाला।
ताणी ताका कुसार मारलो पण देवान ताका जिवंत केला।
चेस चॅम्प भक्ती कुलकर्णी दुबयत गोयचे नाव गाजोवन घरा पावले। भक्ती दुबय ओपन टुर्नामेंटातले ताच्या परफॉर्मन्साचेर प्रुडंटा कडेन उलयले। भक्ती ताच्या कामगिरीचेर बरेच समाधानी दिसता। 40 इंटरनॅशनल ग्रँड मास्टर ह्या सर्तीत वांटेकार जाल्ले। भक्ती 9 मॅची खेळून 5.5 पॉइंटां सयत बायलांच्या गटात पयली सुवात जोडली। ते आता वर्ल्ड चॅम्पियनशिपाची तयारी करता।
Now I came back from Dubai Open. It's a very prestigious tournament and I'm very happy to win the women's first prize in the Dubai Open tournament. The tournament went very well. It was a very strong field. There were many grandmasters, around 40 to 50 grandmasters and many international masters. And I'm happy with my performance. I scored 5.5 out of 9 games, and I'm also increasing some of the ELO rating points. And I am really grateful to my sponsors, Mr. and Mrs. Dempo, and my GCL, Goa Carbon Limited, who is sponsoring me. Because of their help, because of their motivation, I am able to go abroad and play in all those important tournaments. So I'm really thankful to them, and also I want to thank my coach, Mr. Gokhale, who was preparing me during the Dubai tournament. And also I'm thankful and grateful to my parents because they really helped me. They put me into chess, they introduced me to this game, and yeah, they are supporting me. And also I want to thank all the Goans and all the media people for giving me a lot of coverage and giving me a lot of support and their well wishes. So thank you so much everybody. Now I'm preparing for my World Women's Chess Championship, which will be held in maybe this year or maybe next year in Jan or Feb, I don't know. So I am planning accordingly. So I want to play some tournaments which will help me in the preparation for the World Championship. So most probably I will play in the month of June in the Mayor's Cup, which will held in Mumbai this year.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudentmedia.in वेबसायटीर लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात। नमस्कार।